Welcome to the new Romford Showroom here at Express by Folding Doors. This huge 9,000 square feet showroom has all our products to see on display. With really easy access from all major road networks, just at 2 miles from the M25 at junction 28 and just a stone's throw from the A12. We have our full range of aluminium bespoke products on display here, including our front entrance doors, aluminium casement windows, bifolding and sliding doors options, including a full variation of our colours and integral blinds too. All Express by Folding Doors showrooms are really unique, but what's especially unique about this Romford showroom is our movable corner post system we have on display. It's the only place in the UK that you can actually see this in the flesh and gives the clients a really good chance to see this complete open corner feel. We also have a kids area so that our clients know that their kids will be entertained while they spend quality time in the showroom. Here at Express by Folding Doors, we supply, manufacture and install all of our bespoke products. Our opening hours here are from 8:30 AM to 5 PM Monday to Friday, including a late night Wednesday by appointment only until 8 PM. We are also open Saturdays until 12:30 PM with dedicated parkings for all our customers. This showroom truly is an amazing space and we look forward to welcoming you soon.